Hey loves, welcome back to today's video where we are going to be trying out a new hair color. I know this might come as a shock because as most of you know, I have been highlighting my hair consistently for the last 5 years, but I've recently discovered a way to change up your hair color without any damaging chemicals like peroxide or ammonia that you might find in normal hair dyes. So this makes it perfect for curly hair as it won't damage your texture. And this color is also semi-permanent, so it washes out completely, making it easy to switch up your hair color whenever you're in the mood for a change. So today I'm going to be using the Clairol Professional Beautiful Collection Moisturizing Semi-Permanent Hair Color in the shade Medium Ash Brown to match my natural hair for a deeper look for winter. So without further ado, let's get started and I'll show you guys how I apply this hair color and the final results. I'm starting on clean, damp, detangled hair, and I'm going to split my hair into 4 sections so it's easier to apply the color and make sure that it's evenly distributed throughout the hair. This hair color is so easy to apply, no developer is needed, so I'm just going to be using gloves today, but you can also use a bowl and brush if you prefer. I'm taking my medium ash brown hair color and just going to apply throughout each section, making sure to thoroughly saturate the strands so I don't miss any spots. This semi-permanent formula moisturizes my hair and smells amazing, and I can apply it however often as I want to either add a new color or maintain the color I already have. If you color your hair at home or at a salon, this is a great option to maintain your color without the damage of regular color services. Once I'm done applying my hair color, I'm going to brush through the sections to make sure everything is evenly distributed, and then I go ahead and pin it up and let it process while I do the rest of my sections. I also love to use this hair color not only for a complete color change, but also to tone my highlights whenever they get too yellow or orange. I like to go in with the color light ash brown and apply it throughout my highlights. It just gives an ashy tone to the highlights and helps to fix any discoloration or brassiness in the hair. Alright, so now that we have finished all 4 sections and completely saturated the hair, I'm going to go ahead and let everything process for about 25 minutes. I like to pin up the hair and apply a cap or a shower cap so the hair doesn't dry out and it can continue to process. After 25 minutes, I take the cap off and I'm going to go ahead and rinse with cool water until it runs clear. After that, you can go ahead and style your curls, and here are the final results. I'm so happy with this beautiful ash brown color that blended perfectly with my natural hair but gave my highlights depth and dimension. You can get this hair color from Sally Beauty for under $10, and they currently have about 14 shades to choose from. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you thought of this hair transformation, and let me know what shade you plan on trying of the Clairol Beautiful Collection Moisturizing Semi-Permanent Hair Color. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.